STEM Queen, Jacqueline Means. For today's episode, we have a super special guest.
Hi, my name is Charlie and I am 6.5 years old.
Yes, Charlie is 6.5, super awesome, and that's why she's back for the second time. Now today's episode is a little different than normal because something super special is coming up. Halloween!
I love Halloween!
Me too! Now, we're both really excited for today's episode, so let's get right to it. All right, Charlie, are you ready to get to the experiment?
Yes!
Okay, boom, boom, boom. I'm sure you guys are wondering what we're making, and Charlie's gonna tell you. What are we making, Charlie?
We are making caramel apples!
Yes, but these caramel apples are special because they're gonna have a poison apple design for Halloween.
Have you ever watched Snow White? Because it's exactly like it.
Yeah, so if you can think of Snow White and think of poison apples, you've got it down. Now we're gonna go through our ingredients that we'll be using to make our own caramel. First up, we have butter, then brown sugar, a mixing bowl, white sugar, condensed milk, light corn syrup, and vanilla extract. Into my mixing bowl, I've poured a half cup of all my measurements except for my vanilla extract, which goes in later. Now Charlie is gonna pour it in.
I'm going to pour in a half cup of melted butter.
Good. Now that everything is well mixed in our bowl, we're gonna take it and put it in the microwave for how long?
2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Yep, and we'll be right back. So we just took it out after its first 2 minutes and 15 seconds in the microwave. Now we're gonna mix it a little bit and put it back in for another 2 minutes and 15 seconds. So we just took it out after its second 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Now we're gonna mix it a bit more until it's smooth again and put it back in the microwave for its last 2 minutes. So we just took it out after its last 2 minutes in the microwave, and now Charlie is going to pour in
1 teaspoon of
vanilla extract. Now that our caramel is all done, we're gonna let it cool and get ready with our apples.
First step, we are going to take the stem out of our apples.
Yep, so we're gonna take our apples, hold our stems, and we're gonna twist and pull until they come apart.
Oh, that was easy. There we go.
Awesome.
Second step, we are going to put these sticks into our apples.
Yep. Ah.
Miss Jackie, can you help me?
I can help you, no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ooh. Okay.
Oh.
Now that our sticks are in our apples, we're going to take them and cover them in caramel, but we're first going to put a little bit of baking spray on our plate so they don't stick to them once we put our apples back. Now we're going to go ahead and cover our apples in caramel. Ready? So you gotta get our sleeves up and out of the way, right?
Okay.
Okay, good. So now I'm gonna take my apple, but first I'm gonna spray my plate a little bit, like that.
Oh my gosh.
And then dip. Okay.
There we go.
How's that?
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, so now you get to do yours. So I'm gonna put mine on my plate and you're gonna do yours.
Okay.
All right, let me spray your plate. Okay. And now you get to dip your apple.
Yay.
Awesome. Good job. Awesome. You're just gonna drop it down.
There we go.
Perfect, and we will be back in 1 hour. To create our poison apple design, we need to
Melt some candy melts.
Yep, so we're gonna pop our candy melts into the microwave in 30-second increments and mix them in between until it's all smooth. We're also gonna add a capful of vegetable oil. Now that our candy melts are all melted, we're going to take them and put them into our Ziploc bag, so now we can
decorate!
Yep, we're gonna get to decorating our poison apples. Are you ready to see the final product?
3, 2, 1.
I hope you guys really enjoyed making these poison apples with Charlie and I. I know we had a blast with you guys. I hope you have a safe and happy Halloween, and I'll see you in the next episode.
Bye!